Hello there, YouTube. This is Chris with Tree Garden doing a Sunday morning worm bin check-in. Let's see what we got. Here's the plastic that I keep the moisture down. It's got a couple of buddies on there. That's okay. There's my newspaper. I got some of my guys on there right now. I don't know if you can see them. There's some here. They're really active. Alright. What I've been trying to do is I've been feeding on the left side, the side closest to you, food for the past 3 weeks already, and I haven't been feeding that side. Hopefully they did horizontal migration and went over there. I'm going to try to harvest castings from this side over here. Okay, so let's dig in. Let's see here. Oh, I see some guys up here now. Oh boy. They've all been hiding in there. With a piece of corn. Okay. Okay, I got this little bucket here, and this, I guess this may be a 1/4 inch spaces, and I use this one to keep the big chunks and the grown-up worms in here. And all the little guys, the castings, some cocoons, and maybe the little babies, they go in there. So I basically just do this until I get it kind of clear. The worms kind of tend to scooch over to the side, you know. And it smells like sweet dirt. And this is a 20-gallon tote, which makes it, oh, there's a guy. It's a 20-gallon tote, which makes it, I can move around in there and have plenty of room. Okay, so you still have chunks and stuff in there. You can see there's still chunks in there. So then I use a colander they done covered up my colander. Folks, I'm sorry. The family done covered up my colander. It seems, as in life, you never have enough time. I think the video camera is on like a 3-minute timer. So I'm just gonna mix this up on this side just to see Whoa, they went in on the food. They went in on the food. It's just been 3 days. I gave them a feeding ago, and the food's basically gone. But I definitely need to put some more paper in here. I'm gonna put some worm chow, maybe to coax them out to the top of the paper.